Stamp it once, stamp it twice, join them together, and you're done. Hi everyone, it's Smitha. Welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can use a lash curler to do the most symmetric cut crease on both eyes quickly and easily. So if you're ready, let's begin. Now, most of you know that I have hooded eyes, meaning most of my lid space is hiding under that extra skin on top of the lid, which we call the hood. And you will also observe my crease line passing right across my lid. Today's technique will also help to increase that lid space by creating a new crease above the natural crease line. The lash curler that I'm going to be using is from Sally Hansen, and for eyeshadows I'm going to be using the Stone Cold Fox palette by Colourpop. But before we begin the eye makeup, let's get done with the brows. I'm going to be using the Precisely My Brow pencil by Benefit Cosmetics to fill in just the sparse areas in my brows. This pencil comes with a spoolie, so I usually use the spoolie brush to brush my brow hair downwards first so I can clearly see on top and fill it in. And then I use the spoolie to brush my brow hair upwards and I fill in the lower portion of my brows. And then to clean up, I'm going to be using the Milani concealer in the shade 145. Using a flat concealer brush from e.l.f., I'm going to not just clean up underneath the brows, but also apply it on my lid as a base for the eyeshadows. The skin tone on my lid is completely different from what it is underneath my brows. So by applying a concealer, it's going to even out my skin tone. That way I can maximize the space underneath my brows, creating a new lid space. And then I'm going to lightly set this with the Airspun Translucent Loose Powder to prevent the concealer from creasing. The first thing that I'm going to do is coat the entire top of the lash curler with some black eyeshadow. All you have to do is dip in the black eyeshadow. I'm going to align one corner of the lash curler with my inner corner, and I'm going to simply stamp it one time. And you can see how quickly that cut the crease and created a new crease line above my natural crease line. So here's my lid space before, and now we have a new lid space because we have a new crease. Next comes the lash line, and for this I'm going to be using a gel liner. I'm going to open up the lash curler where we insert our lashes to curl it, and I'm only going to coat the top inner part that touches the lashes. And I'm going to curl my lashes like I normally do, and what this is going to do is the lash curler will stamp that eyeliner onto my lash line. Using some black eyeshadow and a small angled brush, I'm going to pull out a small wing in the outer corner and join it to my cut crease. And I'm also going to trace over my cut crease just to make the line thicker. Using the residue that's left on the angled brush, I'm going to start smudging my eyeliner. And then to soften it up, I'm using a blending brush. And now when you keep your eyes open, it gives the illusion of a bigger lid space and a big eyeliner that actually goes up to your natural crease line. Next, I'm going to be using a neutral brown eyeshadow to soften the crease. Using a small blending brush by Colourpop, I'm going to blend this eyeshadow out on my crease. So that is going to smoke out that black eyeshadow and give a softer look. To further make the cut crease look crisp, I'm going to be using some translucent powder to clean up the lid space using a flat shader brush. And then I'm going to smoke out some black eyeshadow in my lower lash line. To brighten up the eyes, I'm going to be using the Rimmel's Candle Eyes Nude Eye Pencil in the outer half of my lower waterline. And then using I Dig It, I'm going to highlight my inner corner as well as brow bones. Again using the curler, but this time to actually curl my lashes. And then I'm going to finish up with the highly rated mascara by Milani. You're welcome to use false lashes if you prefer, but I'm going to stop at mascara today. Here's the finished eye look. It doubled up my lid space. It looks so sultry, so smoky, and got done so quick. I completed this look with a stunning cherry lip shade, and here is the finished look. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. Please thumbs up if you did, and let me know if you'd like to watch more such hacks and easy tutorials by commenting below. And if you're new here, please don't forget to subscribe. I love you guys so much, and I will see you soon with a brand new one. Bye guys.